Rawr, rawr.
What are you
Think
talking
Breuben
about?
before.
I thought Breuben was two people.
When did you think that?
Wrong.
You know what? You're out of your mind if you think Breuben is two people, and I will bet you.
Yo.
Whoa!
Bet all your chips, man.
The game's over, man.
My bad. Bet something else.
I won.
I bet you a pancake.
Oh
A
shit.
fucking pancake.
Fine, I'll do the pancakes.
Two young men living two separate lives, yet both with the same peculiar name.
Well, use your finger.
I keep going back.
Use your finger to
Hey,
follow
Mom.
every word.
Hi, honey.
Hey,
How
Mom.
are you?
Hey,
hey,
How's
how
your
you
day?
doing?
Hi,
Hey,
Ruben.
Dad. What are you doing?
Studying. Leave Uri alone.
Well,
He's
you
trying to
are,
study.
Oh.
This table. It's a reference to Seth by Omar. Elohim. Leave him alone.
Hashem.
Okay, but that part right there is aloti, like that.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Oh, I just remembered. I gotta go to Joe's, guys.
Yeah?
Breuben, you gotta
Yeah.
go to Joe's again?
Yeah, I'm
Come on,
gonna go. I'm sorry. I'll be back soon. We're just gonna go play poker for like 2 hours.
Don't
Okay.
you say that. Then you're not back for like hours and hours and hours
Until
and
like
hours.
wait till
Did
you
you guys
have
see
one
my
again.
keys?
Driving drunk.
Keys?
My
Oh,
car
yeah,
keys.
they're
They're
the last
wherever
place.
you left.
That's
Look at
right,
there.
the last place
Okay.
you left them.
Breuben lives here, in this den of smoke, in the wild jungles of Bloomfield, New Jersey. Breuben is a unique creature. It will not take a mate. Breuben fulfills its sexual desires at the local strip club. Breuben does not interact with the other animals. It instead will watch 40 hours of Frasier. Breuben engages in this ritual of watching television so often that it has created a show of its own, entitled Welcome Viewers.
Welcome to the show. We got a really great episode of Welcome Viewers for you today. I got great friend Ben Friedman with me on the show today. Ben, thanks for coming on the show.
No problem, Breuben.
So what do you think of Cindy the makeup girl?
Makeup girl?
Fuck yeah, she is so hot. Every night I J&O and think of her, oh my god, I would fuck her in the ear.
Why are you dressed like that? It's like 85 degrees.
Why are you dressed like that? It's like 85 degrees. Global news. We're gonna go into a brand new segment, Poems on the Street. Ben, would you like to lead us in a poem?
Lead you in a poem?
Yeah.
So guess what? It's the year 2012. Like now and also now, you know? It's that year you heard about on the radio that one time or something. You know, the year with the Mayan serpent bird that's got New Age folks all stirred, what with the procession of cosmic forces and something about 4 horses. And it's supposed to connect us in some crazy-ass historical nexus that some say may end us, and others it may send us to something totally, unimaginably cool and weird and new. Do you remember that too? Or are you like me, still too caught up in you to even ask the question, what part of this is true? And oh yeah, what role am I supposed to play? But oh, if it's too difficult, can't we all just sit the whole year out and let the experts have it out until that late December day they talked about? It happen. I've been told it could happen by a tattooed, sexually androgynous person named Adam, wearing all velvet purple, who once gave me a sermon as we sat at a bonfire, getting higher. He said, I mean, what if this is the year we received a beam from light years away that said simply, howdy or hey, or here's a new way? I mean, that would be pretty unbelievably fucking cool and weird and new. True? Still.
Whoa, too much touching.
Still, on planet Earth, today, thousands are dying and the rich in the world are still gluttonously carving away what they want. Fuck the starving, they say.
Was that it?
No, I've just forgotten the rest.
Wow. Let's move right along now. So Ben, I hear you're into spirituality. Can you tell us a little bit about that?
Of course, Breuben. But when I say spirituality, I'm talking about something beyond the cheap New Age spirituality. I'm talking about overcoming violence.
Breuben, I've known him since elementary school. And way before, we zazzed together out in the waterfall, and we were, going all our crazy shit. Rooftop parties, and Skyping across the globe, and zazzing, eating za, and all that fun shit, man. So, yeah, way before that, he was a little clumsy. It was a regular thing. He was on crutches for, I believe, the whole 3rd grade. Just the whole year he was on crutches, and it was Brube, There's one time, way before we were zazzing, where Brube was, thought it would be a good idea to bungee jump down the stairs. I'm gonna leap down those stairs. He took sheets off his bed, he tied them together, he put them around his waist. The crazy thing is, he did it again. About 20 years later. But the craziest thing is that it wasn't really crazy.
You gotta sneak around this box. What's going on? What is going on?
Hey, baby. Yup. Yup.
Yeah, my buddy Breuben
How was
moved
that?
away to Australia, and things have been really lonely without my buddy around.
Yup.
And I don't know why. It just reminds me of a time that he
Really?
cut his finger wide open trying to make a bong out of a baby arm.
Oh no. Oh shit! Oh shit! I cut my finger on the bomb.
Fuck! Fuck! Oh my god. Oh shit, I'm about to call a cop.
Oh, Ricky, you gotta do something. Do you have band-aids?
I got duct tape, you fuck.
Alright, just duct tape me up. Oh god.
Stop moving, stop moving.
Okay, but it
Stop
hurts
moving,
so
stop,
much.
stop.
I can't stop moving though.
Breuben has left its den of smoke to the wild plains of Central Park to seek a mate. However, Breuben will soon discover the harsh realities of the animal kingdom. It's survival of the fittest here, outside the world of Frasier and fantasy football. Breuben will soon return to its den where it will engage in its most practiced ritual of masturbation.
Hey, Marissa.
Hey.
How you doing?
Breuben. Hey. Nice to meet you.
Yeah. Want to go sit down? I figured we can
Yeah,
have like
sure. You got some
a
wine?
picnic. Yeah, I
Oh,
got
picnic.
got
Cool.
some wine.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
How's your day? People like to have picnics by trees. And,
Okay.
yeah.
Cool. Do you have a blanket or anything?
It's not cold. It's the middle of summer.
No, I mean like to sit on.
You sit on blankets?
Yeah, you know, food. Never mind. It's okay.
Sorry.
Okay.
Yeah. It was. I didn't know about blanket sitting. Some bread. Some white bread.
Oh, great. Nice.
Love white bread.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Better than rye bread, I think.
Yeah, I agree. I bet it's gross.
Aye.
Little seeds.
Yeah. Who needs seeds in their bread? I mean, come on.
Yeah.
It's
Did-
ridiculous.
Did you take a bite out of this?
Well, it was, a good purchase. And I also got this cake here. It looked really good.
Oh,
I picked
awesome.
it up.
Yum. Ah, nice. What kind of cake is
Oh, it's a boob cake.
this? Yeah, totally.
black
Looks
boob.
like a boob. Looks like a black boob.
Black
yeah,
boob cake.
kind
Yeah.
of
I'm a fan
very
of boobs
cute.
and a fan of cake.
a
So I thought, hey, I should get this cake. It's going to be good.
nice. Yeah, me too. I love cake and boobs.
Oh,
Sure.
good.
Yeah.
Oh, well, we're going to get along real great. I can already tell. It's pretty good bread, huh?
Yeah, it looks good.
I really like bread and cheese.
Yeah, me too.
Kind of reminds me of when I was a kid. I would go over to my grandma's house and take a piece of bread and put some cheese on it, put it in the microwave.
Oh,
It's really good. You should try it.
really?
Oh, it's so good.
Like that's it? Just bread with a slice of cheese and then microwave?
Put it in the microwave. Yep.
Really?
25, 35 seconds. Perfect. I went to the movies. I used to go to the movies all the time with my grandmother.
Uh-huh. Oh.
Yeah.
What movies would you see with your grandma?
Oh, she loved horror films. Yeah. It was good times with my grandparents. Yeah.
Yeah, totally.
Yeah.
That's good. Are they still?
Yeah, they're still alive. Yeah, this other time when I was with my grandparents. Like I remember that we went to the museum. That was fun. I was out with my grandfather. We went. We made ice cream. In a can. You actually made your own ice cream.
yeah,
He
I
taught me
used to
how
do
to
that.
hold water in your hands.
Yeah.
Yeah, and because I couldn't figure it out. I was like 8 years old. I was like, how do you hold water in your hands? It just drips right out. He's like, you should put your hands together like that.
Right.
Yeah.
Right. Okay.
Yeah.
Cool. Yeah.
Cool.
Okay. Yeah.
And we would, I remember it was like when IMAX just came out, going to watch like IMAX movies.
Yeah. I remember
That was
those.
really cool.
They're
My
cool.
grandmother, I remember she got a headache from it because it was like too much sensation or something for her eyes. I don't know. Oh man, it was such a good time. We rode horses. Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah.
Hey, I'm gonna go to the bathroom. I'll be right
It's,
back.
yeah, I got some more stories about my grandparents if you want it.
It's okay. Yeah, you really love your grandparents.
Yeah, I love them, of course. Yeah, everyone loves their grandparents, right?
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, so when can I see you again?
I think I'm just gonna take off. Sorry. Thanks for the picnic.
Yeah.
Look, don't call me.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Bye.
These two young men meet for the first time, and fiction and reality come together. Space and time become an illusion, and nothing is ever the same.
I'm not gonna stop.
Joe,
pass it. Come here, Joe. Come on. I want you to take a good hard look at this box because it's unopened and you're gonna open it when you find out that you're just an idiot and Breuben is one person.
Hey guys.
Dude.
Hey, I gotta pee. I'll be right back.
Alright.
Oh, it smells like weed in here.
Yeah.
What's up, Breuben?
The fuck is it, Scooby-Doo? You fucking walk out one door and come out the other?
Maybe.
You had one? That's fine.
Man? Come on. I can have two?
Two per day. Two per day.
Friends to be fucking
you?
healthy, man?
Nice to meet you.
Yeah.
Breuben Archer.
Yeah.
Son of a bitch.
What?
What?
Fucking know, dude.
What happened?
Because of this bet they made, they thought we were actually two people, but apparently we are fucking two people.
Wait, but if he won the bet that we are two people, then shouldn't he be the guy making him pancakes?
No. He lost. He won the bet. Ricky
Who did?
lost the bet.
Joe
Joe won the bet.
And what did he bet?
He bet that we were actually two people.
We are two people.
500.
Yes.
So
But
he
they
won
all
the bet.
thought we were one person.
10 seconds.
Oh, I see.
9.
Because they're a bunch of idiots.
Yeah, I can see
I
how
don't
that
pay
would,
that much attention
they
to
would make
card
that. You can see how they would
Full.
make that mistake.
Jonah, this is the bracelet you got me.
This is a bracelet that Breuben got from his male friend Jonah. Oh yeah, it is. Yeah, it is. I want everyone to know you bought a guy a bracelet.
It's not just guys, it's me though.
Yeah.
There's nothing like. It's just who I am.
Sexy about it.
No, there's nothing sexual. No.
Alright, Joe, when you're ready. I always had a feeling.
I always had a feeling.
I always had a feeling.
I always had a feeling. Sorry.
No, just get it out. Just get it out. Just let it out. Just laugh it out.
I got a feeling.
My boobs are white.
I do. That's a plus. It was one of the things I was looking for when I was looking for someone to go on a date with.
Oh, a white person?
White boobs.
Oh, okay.
Pull on this. Pull on. Keep going.
You know, in Newark, they call me the Joe Nana, the Jaybird. That's what I go by, my street name. So you come across me in Newark, just be like, hey, Joe Nana. And I'll be like, hey, Jaybird. Want a Zaz? Want a Zol? Some Zaz? Alright. Alright, that's take 3. Still I'm laughing now.
Go, man.
After Breuben see each other on some Back to the Future shit, will they pop out their futures?
Looks like Micah.
My
It's
God.
a guy's name.
It's a man's name.
Yeah, just like whenever you feel like you want to open your mouth, just open it, and then just like close it back again.
Yeah, that's it.
That was no. Do you like lean your head back a little to see, like clearly at their eyes?
That's a good question. I don't know. I might do
I
that.
feel like you probably do that.
No. I can see good. I can see good. It doesn't look really squint.
Oh,
I got the,
okay.
I got
So
the whole
I'm gonna.
thing. It doesn't look like half to me.
I'm gonna have.
Here we go.
Perfect caravan.
Good job, Yuri. You're getting better at this.
Good job, Uri.
Uri. Good. All right, wait, hold on. Real quick. Stay where you were. I'll just pronounce it right. Ready? Good job, Yuri.
Uri.
Ah, dang it. Yeah, one more try. Good job, Uri. You did good.
Sorry, I forgot that you weren't.
You know, Breuben came to me this morning. Breuben came to me this morning. And, you know, he was asking me where his clothes were.
What?
Yeah, he came down in his underwear. He couldn't find his pants. He couldn't find his shirt.
Boob cake?
Look, I think I'm just gonna take off. It's getting a little late.
All right, yeah. So I'll see you later.
No. Sorry. Don't. Please don't call me.
All right. Should not have talked about the grandparents so much.